well, we'll see what happened. Let's go.
He's shaking her hand. She didn't do anything. No, she didn't do anything. She was just present.
Welcome to What Had Happened Was.
Where we take a peek into actual court cases and give you commentary based on our unique perspective and experiences, and also give you informational tips and tricks to help you avoid a what had happened situation.
Before we get started, give us a thumbs up, a tasteful comment. Subscribe to the channel to be notified of every video as they come out. All defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
You ready? Court does call the case of the people versus DeAndre Brandon.
Good morning, Your Honor. Laura Bowman on behalf of the people.
Stephanie Cannon with the Public Defender's Office with and on behalf of Mr. Brandon, who is standing to my right. Mr. Brandon, could you please state your name for the record?
DeAndre Brandon. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, today has up for preliminary examination. The people are unable to proceed.
Your Honor, at this time, we would ask for dismissal.
People being unable to proceed, this case is dismissed. That is without prejudice on defendant's part.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Wow, look what happened.
You know, I heard something. I was told in the text, in one of the comments, this is not happen. This does not happen. It's impossible for a case to be dismissed if the prosecution is not ready to
No,
proceed.
it's not impossible for a case to get dismissed.
Oh, we just saw it. Of course,
But
it's not.
what it is that you don't usually see it take place on the front end in the courtroom. Usually, if a case gets dismissed, what might happen is that they will tell they might come before the judge, and the judge will say the public defender or the lawyer will say you don't have enough evidence or whatever. They'll put a motion in. They'll sit there and they'll let the judge hear the motion, and the judge might say, "Oh no, they don't have enough evidence," and it will be dismissed.
So basically, you're saying what had happened was.
But what had happened was
Case dismissed.
Case dismissed.
He's shaking her hand. She didn't do anything. No, she didn't do anything. She was just present.
Hearing about your presence.
Court does call the case, people versus Jeffrey Shu. Oh, I didn't know this. Why did you call it Constantino's case?
No cool news on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's great to see you.
Yeah.
Christina Costantino, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Shu. Mr. Shu, can you state your name for the record?
Mr. Jeffrey Shu. All right.
Your Honor, at this time, the people are not able to proceed.
Your Honor, we would be moving for dismissal of this matter.
People being unable to proceed, this case is dismissed.
Do my ears deceive me, or did I just hear
Another one.
back to back behind the first one?
Wow, that doesn't happen.
The
It just
prosecution
happened
said
twice.
they're not able to proceed, and he said case. She said I'll make a motion for dismissal. He said case dismissed.
The prosecution said they don't have enough evidence.
They cannot proceed. You know what that means, right?
Case dismissed.
No, not just that. It means you actually do know what you're talking about, and we're not guessing here. So you saw that stuff about the Bill of Rights and speedy trial, the Constitution, the amendments. I guess what is said, you have a right to a speedy trial. Perhaps this is what it means, because it's unfair to you to stand there and just sit in jail while the prosecution decides when they can get it together. No,
How would that be fair?
it's not. And last time arrest, we're not in the gulag. And this is not Papillon.
Oh, what's that other one? Conor Monte Cristo.
Monte Cristo, yeah, and that castle up there, yeah. Oh, don't get the man the Iron Mask.
Yeah.
This is not them days. If you saw it, that's 2 in a row.
Because let's think about how many people sat and sat and sat and sat
and waited
and then took a plea deal just to get some time, just to get something finished, just to get a case closed.
Yeah,
because that's the only other thing they do.
That's it. But you saw it, not one, but 2 cases back to back dismissed because the prosecution wasn't able to go forward with the case.
And this time you were there.
And you saw it with your own eyes.
There you go. Have a great day.
What happened was...
Case dismissed. Just before anyone else says it.
What's that?
Yes, our comments were longer than these cases.
It sure was.
Isn't that awesome?
Our comment was longer than the case.
Isn't that awesome for those 2 people that they got to go free?
Oh, too much commentary.
What a great justice system.
Yes, it is.
There you go. Better luck next time.
Bung, bung.
It's on defendant's motion without prejudice.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a good
Thank
rest
you,
of your
Honor.
day.
Thank
See?
you for your service.
Hey, Mike.
Thank you, sir. Oh, no.
Mr. Brown.
Why does she need an adjournment?
Thanks for watching.
And also give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified of every video as they come up. And get that algorithm going and help us build this channel in 2024.
And make sure that you don't wind up in a what had happened situation. Boom, boom, boom.